Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about the formation of precipitate. How to form the precipitate. Certain chemical reactions are characterized by the formation of insoluble solid. That insoluble solid is called precipitate. That insoluble solid is called precipitate. For example, A and B combine to form C and D. If there is insoluble solid is there, that is precipitate. Okay, so insoluble solid substance is present in that mixture or solution is called precipitate. For example, silver nitrate react with the sodium chloride. Okay, silver nitrate is react with sodium chloride. Silver nitrate is react with the sodium chloride. Silver is positively charged, nitrate is negative. Sodium plus chloride negative. So silver and chlorine combine to form silver chloride. Opposite charges are combined to form a compound. So silver chloride and sodium nitrate, NaNO3 is formed silver valency 1, chloride valency 1, sodium valency 1, nitrate valency 1. So cancel each other. So we will get silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Okay, so silver nitrate. Here white precipitate is formed. Which color precipitate is formed? White precipitate is formed. Okay, white precipitate is formed. This is precipitation reaction. So what do you observe? Silver nitrate react with the sodium chloride. What do you observe? Observation is, please note that is white precipitate or silver chloride. So white precipitate or silver chloride. Clear? So silver nitrate react with the sodium chloride to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Here what you observe, that is the precipitate, white precipitate of silver chloride. Clear now? Next example, ferrous sulfate is react with the sodium hydroxide solution. Ferrous sulfate is react with sodium hydroxide solution. Ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, react with the sodium hydroxide to form. What do you observe? Here you observe that dirty green precipitate. What is that? What do you observe? Dirty green precipitate of what? Of what? Here positive, negative, positive, negative. So ferrous hydroxide is formed. Okay, ferrous hydroxide is formed. Ferrous valency 2 under the subscript of hydroxide plus sodium sulfate is formed. Sulfate valency 2, we should write under the subscript of sodium. So here dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide is formed. The word dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide is formed. Is it clear? So ferrous sulfate react with the sodium hydroxide. What do you observe? You observe that dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide. Isn't it? You must write the balanced equation. Okay, that is ferrous sulfate. How many ion is there in the left side? 1. Product side 1. How many sulfate? 1 in the product side. Sulfate 1. How many sodium is the left side? 1. Product side 2. So which side less number of sodium? Left side. So multiplied by 2 on the left side of sodium hydroxide. Okay, then hydroxide, how many hydroxide part? Here left side 2, product side also 2. Okay, clear now? Next example, dilute sulfuric acid is added to barium chloride solution. Okay, dilute sulfuric acid is added to barium chloride solution. We will get a white precipitate. Okay, what do you observe? White precipitate is formed. So dilute sulfuric acid that is H2SO4 is added to barium chloride solution. Barium chloride BaCl2. Valency of barium is 2. We should write under the subscript of chlorine. Okay, so dilute sulfuric acid is added to barium chloride to form. It is positive, negative, positive, negative. So barium is combined with sulfate. So barium sulfate and hydrogen chloride, HCl is formed. Okay, here what do you observe? That is white precipitate. Okay, white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. White precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Okay, so how many hydrogen is there in the left side? 2 here. 1. So which side less number of hydrogen? That is on the product side. So multiplied by 2 on the left side of hydrogen chloride. Now chlorine 2 in the left side, 2 in the product side also. So that is balanced equation. So sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid is added to the barium chloride. What do you observe? White precipitate of barium sulfate. Clear now? Next Change of state. In many chemical reaction, we observe the change of state. Okay, change of state means that is physical nature of that compound. If it is solid, that is we denote S. If it is that a liquid, we denote L. If it is gaseous, we denote G. Okay, so we can take two gaseous compound, that is hydrogen sulfide is a gas, chlorine is a gas, hydrogen sulfide is a gas, chlorine is a gas. So hydrogen sulfide H2S, that is a gas, chlorine, that is also a gas. We get the product that is gas and solid. Two product is formed. One is gaseous compound, another one is solid form. Okay, so gaseous product is HCl, hydrogen chloride, and sulfur, that is yellow solid is formed. Yellow solid is that is what you observe. Yellow solid of observation is yellow solid of sulfur is formed. Okay, yellow solid of sulfur is there. And what is the example of change of state? If I ask like that, so you must write hydrogen sulfide react. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas, react to form chlorine gas to form two product, that is hydrogen chloride gas and sulfur solid is formed. Here change the solid state. Change the state of this compound. Two gases combine to form one gaseous product and one solid product is formed. Is it clear? Another example, ammonia. Ammonia is a gas. Hydrogen chloride is also a gas. Ammonia is a gas. Hydrogen chloride is a gas. If it is mixed with each other to form one single product is formed, that is ammonium chloride. It is a solid in nature. So change the state. Okay, what do you observe? What do you observe? That is white solid of ammonium chloride is formed. White solid of ammonium chloride is formed. Okay, so ammonia react with HCl. Ammonia react with HCl. This ammonia and hydrogen chloride both are gases to form solid compound. That is white solid, that is ammonium chloride.